I'm using this beautiful dress, and what I'm doing is removing one of the arms. I already removed one of them. Let me show you. This is one of the arms that I already removed. So now I'm just going to remove this other side. And this is how I'm removing it. I'm just using this little green tube that I have and then removing it. Alright, so now we got both arms cut off. And we're gonna go ahead and sew the fabric that we chose on there. I chose this fabric. It doesn't match, but that's the whole point. This is the fabric I chose. I already did the pattern. I'm just gonna go ahead and sew it on.